Hello, great people. Welcome back to our channel. We are so excited to have you again. Considering what is happening in the country, especially as it regards Sunday Igboho and Nnamdi Kanu, there is a move by a very renowned group of the Ndibos, to come together and take this necessary action to ensure that they register their displeasure against some of the actions of the government thus far. We're going to look at that in a jiffy and also get to know who passed that information across to Ndibo, especially in Nigeria. But before we do that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you can get notification anytime we publish our videos. Igbos, under the umbrella of a recognized Igbo group, World Igbo Congress, are organizing a nationwide rally in solidarity for the IPOP leader, Nnamdi Kanu, and Yoruba separatist Sunday Adeyemo, popularly called Sunday Igboho. Simon Ekpa, one of the disciples of the detained IPOP leader, who was recently appointed by the IPOP official to man Radio Biafra following the repatriation of Kanu, gave the hint on Thursday in a live broadcast on his social media page. We can recall that Nnamdi Kanu, through the effort of Nigerian Security and Intelligence Agency in collaboration with authorities of a yet to be disclosed country, though some say is Kenya, was repatriated back to Nigeria to continue his trial after he left the country due to the threat against his life. The Biafran freedom fighter is currently detained at the custody of Department of State Services, DSS, pending the resumption of his trial on July 26. Similarly, following several rallies conducted by Sunday Igboho in many states in the southwest as a movement to ensure the actualization of Oduduwa Republic as a sovereign nation for the Yoruba nation, the DSS recently invaded his residence in Ibadan, the Oyo state capital, killing some of his allies while others are taken into detention. Igboho was also declared wanted by the DSS over alleged activity threatening the corporate existence of the country. Ekpa, who is a dual citizen of both Nigeria and Finland, while speaking on the planned protest, urged concerned Nigerians to be part of the protest to ensure justice for Nnamdi Kanu and the Yoruba nation agitator Sunday Igboho. According to him, the World Igbo Congress is organizing a mega rally in solidarity for Nnamdi Kanu release and Sunday Igboho. We are calling on every concerned Nigeria to participate in the exercise. If you are a concerned Nigeria, if you have an Oduduwa, ensure you participate in the rally, which is going to be the biggest in the country. Wow, this is a great one coming from Igbo people under the umbrella of World Igbo Congress. And it has never been like this. The level of protest we have seen thus far, and all of it is towards kind of restoring fundamental human right of certain persons whose act of seeking for the peace of their people and possible separation from the country has been considered unlawful. And these protests, as much as Nigerians may likely fully be involved in it, the House of Rep had already introduced a bill fairly recently, which is against protesting, threatening 5-year jail term for whom the people they call unlawful protesters. And I don't know what they mean by that. And the bill, let me just give you an idea of the bill. The bill stated that when 3 or more persons with intent to carry out some unlawful or some common purpose assemble in such a manner or being assembled conduct themselves in such a manner as to cause persons in the neighborhood to fear on reasonable grounds that the person so assembled will tormentously disturb the peace or will by such assembly needlessly and without any reasonable occasion provoke other persons tumultuously to disturb the peace, they are an unlawful assembly. In other words, if you disturb the peace of any other person by gathering together for a common purpose, automatically it is considered, such people are considered to be unlawful protesters. And then I begin to ask myself a question, then which one is lawful protesters? Which one is lawful protesters? Because protest is protest. As long as there is a coming together of the people and they are standing against a particular policy, a particular action of the government or any institution or any person, that is considered to be protest. And there's no way they will do such that they will not disturb, the movement of people on the road and all of that, because they wouldn't just be moving in a line. Certainly they will be moving in a group. You understand? So the government said they're going to do that. And then these guys talking about this World Igbo Congress, they're about to launch out. And government said that it's going to be 5-year jail term, though it has not yet been passed to law. But I feel that it is the common right of Nigerians at any time that they consider an issue which is very, to them, is unsatisfactory, or they want to, because of a particular issue, they want to register their displeasure, they have the right to assemble as a people and step out. That is one of the, inclusions in, democracy. Because after all, what we are talking about, the government of democracy, is of the people. It's the people that select. It concerns the people. So there is no way that kind of bill will sell through. But however, looking at what these guys are about doing clearly shows the level of unity thus far. And the level of cooperation I have seen has never been like that. Don't also forget, if you check our videos, you will see a particular news on what Professor Banji Akintoye said some time ago about Awolowo, telling him that someday he will have to work with the Igbos. And from all indication, there is kind of unity, I may call it mutual relationship, between the Igbos and the Yorubas now, and they are really, really out, to ensure that they checkmate the government of the day and also seek for their, withdrawal from the country. Now, I don't know, though the stipulated date has not been given, but certainly when such a time comes, from all indication, if it has to do with Sunday Igboho being included in the pursuit or in that common, purpose for the protest, automatically the Yorubas may likely join. And for me, I feel that government, the best thing to do is for government to listen to these people, get to know their grievances and try to align. Because if you look at the country currently, you will notice that there are a lot of issues. Currently, insecurity is the worst. Now, we've heard that one general, Hassan Ahmed, has been killed by gunmen on the road as he was traveling. Now, if these guys have the audacity to, take down a general of an army, who then will be safe in the country, Renounce was crying out and said, if a man like a general in an army can be taken down, then who is safe? It therefore means Nigeria is not safe. There is no place in the country that is safe because of the rate of insecurity. And I think that is one of the key issues that should be fought to the barest minimum, if not totally eradicated. Not to look at issues that are not, that for me, they are negligible. It's just an issue of negotiating with those people and you get what you want, However, I like to leave it there. Go to our comment section. Let's interact.